We're gonna change the wheel bearing on a 2013 BMW 328i. Here's the part that came in today. So let's get started. First thing, obviously, we're gonna lift it up and take the wheel off. To remove the wheel, you need a 70mm socket. Loosen them up first before you lift the car. Okay, now that you remove the wheel, the next thing, you want to take the brake holder, brake pads. There's 2 screws on the back. Here's one, the other one is down below. Hopefully you can see it from that angle. Okay, so we removed the brake calipers holders. These are the 2 bolts. Those are 18s. And now I'm going to use just a piece of wire to hang them from up here. I want them out of my way. I don't want them to be in front of me while I'm working. So the next thing you're going to do, you're going to remove the rotor. That is the number 6. It's just 1 bolt here. Zoom in here, son. And remove it, and that takes off the rotor. So here's the wheel bearing that we're gonna remove. You can hear it sounds horrible. There's 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4, and there should be socket 18 if I'm not mistaken. All right, so to remove the 4 bolts for this car, you need a T60. Without the T60, you're not going to be able to remove anything. Oh, pretty simple. This one is already loose, so I'm just going to take it out. This one as well. So I have 2 out of 4. All right, so for the 4 bolts of the wheel bearing, you have to use the T60, and this is for a 2013 BMW 328i. I tell you, out of the 4 bolts, here are the 4 bolts. The one that was very complicated to take off is this one, the one by the wire. So you're gonna need a swivel in. I don't know the proper name. I'm not a mechanic. But that's about the hardest one. All the other ones come out pretty easy. This is the new one we're going to put in there. It's pretty self-explanatory. It fits on it. See that? It goes right on it. Actually, the 2 bolts on top are actually easier. I mean, smaller or closer. See, these 2 are closer. This one's a little bit more farther apart. And that's it. So I'm going to put it back together. It's 4 bolts, and then we'll start all over again. I'm gonna turn the steering wheel the other way. So I can get access to that section. Now, it shouldn't be that complicated to go in. If anything, double check that each bolt goes in. They go so easy. Go easy. So when you're putting it in there, have to make sure it goes easy as well. Gotta clean this area. All right, I'll start with one. And why don't you go easy? see there's some debris here. We'll get rid of that debris. So everything should go so easy, just like that. Shouldn't be that much complication going there. That's the concept anyways. Do the third one. That's how easy this should go. Get down there, see what it looks like. Yeah. Perfect. So we tied them all four. And then I am done. Put this back the way it was. Good. All right. So the next thing we got to do, we gotta put the brake rotor back. Move some of these tools out of the way. Here's the two bolts that go with it, with the brake pads, and here's my rotor. Put the rotor. So you can see it has 1, 2, 3 holes here. You want the middle one to line them up. So you're gonna need a number. You're going to need a number 6. Number 6 will do it. All right, let's give it a try. Again, I am not a mechanic. Just tight enough. All right, got the brakes in there, looking good. All right, so then the next thing we're gonna put the brake pads in. So this one we said we needed a 18. Yep, just a matter of aligning calipers. So here's the 2 bolts. Gotta line up. get down here so I can see better. Everything's stable. Let's check again. Let's get the tire going. There's 5 bolts to it.